Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best packable camp chair you can buy right now, the Oragati lightweight camping chair. If you love spending time outdoors but hate lugging heavy or bulky gear, this one deserves your attention. At first glance, the Oragati chair stands out for its sleek, compact design. It's built with a durable aluminum frame that keeps the total weight down to just 2.6 pounds, yet it supports up to 330 pounds. That's impressive strength-to-weight performance, especially for a chair designed to slip easily into a backpack or the corner of your car trunk. The chair measures about 20 inches deep, 20 inches wide, and 26 inches tall, giving you a comfortable, stable sitting height whether you're on the beach, beside a campfire, or at a music festival. The pillow-style back support adds a bit of comfort you don't always get from other ultralight chairs, making it ideal for long evenings outdoors. Now, what really sets the Oragati apart is its frame design. Instead of relying on the usual crossbar structure that can wobble or sink into soft ground, Oragati uses an innovative setup that's engineered for balance and stability. Even when you shift your weight or move suddenly, it resists tipping, so you can relax without constantly adjusting your seat. Setup is refreshingly simple. From bag to ready to sit takes around 10 seconds. The poles snap together instantly, and the fabric seat stretches snugly into place. There's no fumbling with multiple parts, no tools, and definitely no frustration after a long hike. When you're done, it folds right back into its compact carry bag, small enough to fit easily in your backpack or car door pocket. Another thoughtful feature is its adjustable height system. Depending on where you are, maybe sitting low for a beach sunset or higher for a campfire conversation, you can switch between two seating levels in seconds. It's versatile enough for adults, kids, or even your four-legged adventure buddy. The seat itself is ergonomically curved to provide support across your back and hips. It's a small detail, but one that makes a big difference after an hour or two of sitting. Combined with its high load capacity, the chair feels secure and comfortable for nearly any body type. Overall, the Oragati lightweight camping chair offers the kind of smart design and durability that makes it a must-have for travelers, campers, or anyone who values comfort in compact form. It's portable, sturdy, stylish, and quick to set up. Everything you want in a packable chair. So, if you're looking for the best balance between portability, comfort, and reliability, the Oragati lightweight camping chair might just be your perfect outdoor companion. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dive reviews of gear that makes your adventures better. See you in the next one.